Hello guys, today we are going to tell you how to solve this Ivy Cube by Qiyi Toys. This is the only design which is made only by Qiyi. So a very beautiful cube. If you keep it like this, this ivy leaf design comes out, and this is the main side, and it comes in a box like this. So, well, this is a very good cube and very easy to solve. It's more like a pyraminx and skewb together. So I'll start with. So the first step in our tutorial is to solve any one side. So I'm choosing white as yellow will be on our top. So you can see that on a side there are three pieces. This corner piece, this center piece, this second corner piece. So you have to take any corner piece and put it like this onto the side. And now these two are of same color. Rest, you can see this is not aligned. So I will take this to another side. Just what we do in a skewb. And rotate this, put it back. So I'll show you once again. Put it here, rotate it back, and your top layer is solved. It was a case like this, you would do the same thing just on the opposite side. You would bring it down on this side, rotate it like this, and now you can see the top face is solved. Now what we have to do is solve this side. So one thing I want to tell you is, once you have solved one side, the top layer would be easy, just like this. So for the very first thing is to take the centerpiece to the top. I take it to the top. Now I have to find these two corner pieces. One is here. So we'll do just the same thing. Look, and it's done without disturbing the bottom layer. Now this remains as worry. So you will do the same thing, nothing to worry much, and you can see. So in my case, the whole cube is solved once I've solved this. So there must be a case like this, where this red centerpiece needs to go here, the orange one needs to go here, and the green face is solved, or just any other face is solved. Say this blue one, and the orange, green and the red are all changed. In my case, what has happened is you need to shift all these centerpieces to the right. This one to the right, this one to the right, the orange one way here. So what you're gonna do is, in this case, you are supposed to first turn. You have to suppose keep the cube like this, so that solved side is here, and then you have to do this so that the third unsolved side comes over here. And now you have to do right, left inverted, right inverted, left, and now you have to turn back this leg. So you can see the cube is solved. Second case, the second case while solving the cube is when, after solving the upper face, you see that one face is solved like the first case, and all the centerpieces, all the three centerpieces, the remaining ones, are changed to the right. This one on the right, this one on the right. So these need to go to the left. This one to the left, this one to the left, and the green one way back here. So you have to hold the cube so that the solved face, which is orange in our case, is here, and then you have to do this so that the unsolved side is here. And now you're gonna do left inverted, right, left, right inverted, and you're gonna put it back. So you can see the cube is solved. So this is a very easy tutorial. as easy as skewb and pyraminx. So I hope this video was very helpful to you. You can ask for any queries or questions in the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed to FuroCubing and don't forget to click the bell icon because that will help you to receive notifications whenever we launch any new video. So thanks for watching.